Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make delicious banana coconut burfi. So let's get started. So first we will peel the ripe bananas and put it in a bowl. Mash it with a fork, or you can mix it in a grinder and make it smooth mixture. Take a pan and add 1.5 cup milk and turn the gas flame on a medium and let it boil. Make sure you stir constantly, otherwise milk will stick on the bottom. So the milk boiled for about 3 minutes. It's time to add our banana mixture. So I will add that in, and now turn the gas flame low and stir occasionally. So I will let it boil our mixture until it burn off all milk and mixture will become thicker. So at this point looks like our milk is burned, so this is the time to add a sugar in it. So I'm adding 1/4 cup sugar and mix it well. Add 1/4 cup grated coconut and mix it all together. I will cook this mixture 2 more minutes on a low flame until our sugar melt. This is the right consistency we need. We need a thick paste. So it looks like this is ready. So now we will spread this in a plate. And I will sprinkle some almond and pistachios on the top and let it cool down, and place this plate in a refrigerator for 1 hour. After an hour, our burfi is set, so I will cut it in square pieces. Thank you for watching this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for future recipe videos.